What if I told you that I made my first YouTube paycheck just 1 week after getting monetized? No hacks, just strategy. Yes, it's possible, and I'm going to show you the exact amount that I made. I'll break it down and I'll share what I did differently this time around. Because YouTube isn't just a hobby platform anymore. It's a real income stream if you treat it like one. Hi everyone, I'm Star and I help creators turn their channels into income-generating machines. I've worked with politicians, hospitals, restaurants, and personal brands, but this time, I used my own strategies on my own channel, an old one too. And now I am going to show you the real numbers. No fluff and no inflated CPMs because I started like everyone else at zero. Yes, I was able to get paid by YouTube within 1 week of being monetized. But I have to be honest with you, I had a lot of intention behind making this work because I know YouTube is a long-form content. And what that means is that it's a long-form game. Not everyone has results like I do, I know, and I don't take this for granted whatsoever. That's why I want to walk you through exactly how much I made on YouTube after monetization. To be honest, my goal was simple. If I made $20 or $100, I would have been thrilled. In fact, I was hoping to get monetized my first year, not in 6 days, but I did it in 6 days and I was happy. It's more than a number, it's just proof of concept. So I didn't care how much I got paid as long as I got paid something. I told myself, I'm ready to play the long game. I expected monetization to take a year. Seriously, I had mentally prepared for that. But because I implemented all the strategies I already used for over a decade with clients, things like brand positioning, search strategy, and retention tactics, my channel got monetized in just 6 days. All right, so this channel that I have is commentary. So you can see January 1st through 31st right here. It's a whole month of January. You'll see that I actually did 22 videos in January. The reason I didn't stop recording was because once the algorithm got it, the number one thing you need to do is give it another video to recommend to the people that have already watched your video. So that is my number one advice. As long as you see like, oh my gosh, if I'm going to open a new YouTube channel, record 2 videos minimum, because if somebody watches your video, you need to record another one in order to be able to recommend it to the person that just watched your video. This means that you get them binge watching and it tells the algorithm, hey, your channel is worthy. People like what they're watching, so it gets recommended. I also want to show you this because the first video that I did, you'll see that it was in January 6th. So in January 6th, that's when I released the video, and it was what beginner YouTubers can learn. And that's the one that caught on. So I immediately, the following day, did another video. And you can tell that as soon as I kept releasing more and more videos, I was chasing the views in the beginning because I wanted to get monetized. And so all these videos, I knew I wasn't going to get any more views. And I got my monetization approved around the 10th or 11th of January. And then I finally started getting paid like around January 15th. 22 videos is a lot of videos. So you'll see once we go to revenue right here, let me go ahead and click it right now. Okay. And all those videos you see, none of them were paid. Zero. Every single, they were not in vain though, because it was getting me viewers and subscribers. And then finally, yeah, it was on the 15th, the day before my birthday, which was the best birthday present ever. I got paid $22, then $24, then $49, then $11, $74. I was like, oh my goodness, what is happening? I was so happy because honestly, I just thought I was going to get paid $20. Ended up being $380 for the month of January. So let's go over to the month of February. February 1st all the way through the February 28th. You'll see that I had a lot less views, but I also had a lot less videos. I did 16 videos the month of February, which is a total of 5 videos less than I did in January. But again, remember, January, I did not have monetization until half of the month. And this time I was going to get the entire month monetized. So I wanted to see the difference. All right, so let's go ahead and see the next month, which is February 1st through the 28th of 2025. I pulled up last month's views, which was 300K. Compared to this month in February, it's 186K, which is a lot different. It's practically half less than the following month. But if you see, I also posted less videos. Last month I did 22. This month of February I did 16 videos. So you'll see that my views are half. And it was only 5 videos less. So what does that mean? That means I'm chasing views, which is fine, but in the long run, it's very, very hard and I can get burned out. But if we go over to the revenue here, you'll see that even though last month I got paid $300, this month of February, I got paid $800. But remember, this month I got paid the entire month compared to last month that I only got paid for half the month. So it is possible to get this done. Again, my revenue on YouTube is not exactly what I take home because I'm always very cautious because I have to pay taxes on it. So I only take like 20% to my bank account. That's it. You'll notice something. Even though the numbers are not huge in the beginning, the trend matters. If your views are steady, your CPM is solid and will continue to grow. And your watch time grows as well. And so does your payout. Plus, you don't need millions of views to make this work. You just need a plan. And this doesn't work just with me. It works with you too. The difference this time, I didn't wing it. I didn't rely on luck. And I didn't chase views. I treated YouTube like a business, not a side hustle. I filmed with purpose, designed titles and thumbnails with strategies, and I spoke directly to the audience I wanted to attract. And that right there is the key. And here's what I want you to hear clearly. You don't need to be a full-time YouTuber to start making money, but you do need to show up with consistency, clarity, and a conversion plan. So yes, in just 1 week of monetization, I was able to start earning from YouTube. And I want you to remember this. I made sure I treated YouTube like an actual job. I have responsibilities at home, but just like I treated my digital agency with intention, and helped everyone else succeed, I finally decided it is my turn. Is it your turn today? Do you want to make yourself succeed? Because after years of client work and chasing contracts and burning out from explaining the same systems over and over again, I stopped being behind the curtain and I took YouTube seriously. I made it mine. I made that choice and said, I'm ready. I'm going to put every single strategy into work. And you can too. But only if you stop dabbling and start showing up with clarity and intention. And if you still have not downloaded the step-by-step, I created a free 7-day YouTube growth challenge to help you do exactly what I did. It's linked below. You can grab it. Now, thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.